Just when the Kona thought it had the small end of Hyundai's SUV lineup all to itself, in comes its just-born little sibling, the all-new 2020 Venue. This entry-level utility vehicle gives Hyundai a total of 7 from which to choose, and the Venue will be the most affordable when it arrives at dealerships this fall. Hyundai says this one is for those constantly on the go, accommodating busy lifestyles in a fast-paced urban environment. Knowing fuel economy is an important consideration for customers in this segment. The 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine is estimated to deliver up to 33 mpg in combined driving, mated to either Hyundai's excellent CVT or even a 6-speed manual, both driving the front wheels. No all-wheel drive option here. Providing interior volume not too dissimilar from the Kona, the cabin has been designed for adequate space for the versatile urban commuter, making it an ideal alternative to a subcompact car, according to Hyundai. And because it's Hyundai, you know they won't skimp on stuff, and indeed, a suite of advanced safety features, connectivity, and multimedia systems are offered. And joining the two-tone paint fad, the Venue offers a number of color combinations for the roof, mirrors, and trim. More details, including pricing, will be revealed closer to the Venue's on-sale date. For TestDriveNow.com, I'm Steve Hammis.